Hi there. So I left you thinking about who you're going to be giving your tour to. And this is crucial before you start writing it. So before we look at the exact people who we think are going to be on the tour, let's just look at one practicality. Where can you market this to bring people in? Now get a sheet of paper and you can brainstorm. Are there any guest houses, hotels, antique shops, art galleries, coffee clubs, young people associations, youth hostels that are locally would like to share in the local history that you're going to be presenting? Maybe some women's institute groups, elderly groups, bingo clubs, things that draw people together with a social interest that would like to come on your tour. Now, once you've got that done in your mind, you know where you can bring some of your first clients to. And when you're writing your marketing to them, it'll be a good idea to picture exactly who your ideal person on your tour is. So think back of your social life. Who is the main person in the crowd that you hang out with, that laughs at your jokes, that thinks you're A1, who really relates to you and you love talking to? So picture this person as being the client on your tour as you write your tour, and this will bring out your natural voice and make you feel comfortable and at ease, and hopefully bring the most resonant group to your tour to help them enjoy all that is on offer in your location, and keep at the heart of your tour the real purpose that you have of shining a light on this great corner of the world that you live in or are connected with, and the joy that you're bringing to other people who can now enjoy it the same as you after they've heard what you've got to say, which is the guts of this course here, finding out what you want to say. And just the third point to look at in the people that you will attract to your tour, have a think about who you can bring in from outside your immediate friendship group. Who are you socializing with and less often, and perhaps don't see quite as much, but you would love to bring them onto the tour and share this new piece of work that you've got with them. So that's given you some ideas of, on the one hand, who you're going to be giving leaflets to. Perhaps you may even be allowed on your busy thoroughfare of the city to hand out leaflets to people, to draw people in. Have a look and see who visits your city or town or even village that you're going to be speaking to on a regular basis. Perhaps they're walkers, climbers, special interest groups are drawn there. Perhaps there's markets from other places that come and set up their goods, and you could also promote your tour. So look at the thoroughfare of traffic of tourists or visitors that come as well, and that will be another string to your bow as to who you can market it to. So we've got who we can market it to on one list, and we've got in our minds that great friend that we socialize with, that we hang out with. It can be an imaginary friend if you want to, as long as we've got that idea of someone really engaging with what we truly say and what we mean on the other hand. And that's who we're going to be writing for as we write on with the tour. So see you in the next section.